Hello and welcome to another Automation Professionals programming tutorial. My name's Dave and I'm the lead programmer. Today we're going to go over the lock modules I created to handle the Yale, Baldwin, and Kwikset locks that are all Crestron connected. Here you'll see the device driver. You don't really have to do anything in here other than this is the equipment ID for the cross point. It's already pre-labeled out. So you just pick lock 1, lock 2, whichever one is going to be. Lock name. Simply just a name, and then the type, because Kwikset and Baldwin are the same commands, but the Yale is separate, so you just have to select which lock there is. You don't have to worry about the connections in the top, and this is just for your own use if you want to use it. Everything here is optional. If you want to have something externally lock or unlock it, or get battery feedback to something else, go ahead. It's there to use. And so to create a new one, you'll see here that you have the Yale lock for obviously the Yale lock, and then the Home Connect DL01 for the Kwikset and the Baldwin. So let's just create one of these, drag it into the Infinity X gateway. Came in here, so this is lock 3. So over here you'll see that there's the drivers here, so we just make a copy of lock 1, replace lock 1 with lock 3. There's the connections, lock 3, create or choose the equipment ID, this pool door, and obviously we just made it Baldwin. So there you go. That's all we had to do there. Close that out. AV Manager, just a bunch of connections. You don't have to touch it. And the lock module as well. Same thing. Everything's here pre-filled out, all the logs, everything, and all the logic's inside. You don't have to deal with list quantities or anything like that. It's all handled. You don't have to touch this except for the control ID and manager ID. And one thing to note here is the first 3 numbers in the control IDs are interface specific. So this is tablet 2, so this is all 460, and if it's tablet 3 it's 461 and so forth. I'm going to delete this because I'm going to do an example here. So here's our first tablet here, and here's a tablet up here. So here, if we scroll down, these are all the connections for the rest of the functionality for lights and shades and all that kind of stuff. But at 9, I chose a 900 range for the lock. So you don't have to worry about any of this, but that's just where it is for your knowledge. And there's all the kind of inner workings of that, as well as obviously the smart graphics, which are all down here. The list, the log list, the password, and so on. Yeah, so it's all here. And so just to create a new interface, and this goes with everything, this is going to be a new interface for the lights, the climate, the AV, and everything. So we can do this in a matter of like a couple minutes here. So here's the Crestron app. Drag it into the Ethernet here. I mean, you should know how to do this. Crestron app here. Let's name it tablet 2. Go back here. Let's shrink this down. Also, just to keep it nice and clean, let's make this the next one up, which is 29. Done. Duplicate, tablet 1 to tablet 2. Done. And if you can't do duplicate tablet, all the interfaces have the same smart graphic names and layout, so you can just right click and do copy smart graphics programming. Anyway, so here's the tablet 2. It's all filled out, all the smart graphics are there. You can even see in the manager, it's all there. And down here we're going to take this tablet 1, make a copy of it, make it nice there, and then tablet 1, tablet 2. Just so you know, all my interface connections always are encapsulated with brackets like that. And go. So there you go. So you'll see you have the locks here, all named tablet 2. And the only last thing we have to do is worry about the cross point control IDs, which, as I said, the first 3 numbers are associated to the interface. So here I have a template, and so 459 is tablet 1, as you see there. And so if we just go to tablet 2, go 459 to 460, you'll see here tablet 2, and that did it for everything. So there we go, interface done. We did it for the entire project, not just the locks, in a matter of minutes. And that's really all you have to worry about. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if anyone wants to try this module. Thanks, bye. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out my other tutorials that will be popping up over time, as well as some other cool videos I'll be posting in the near future. If you are interested in licensing out my program and modules, contact me with the email address on the screen for information.